Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be making this okpa wawa okpa 042. So here are the ingredients I'll be using. The ingredients will be listed in the description box below. So I have the main ingredients, which is the okpa, seasoning cube and salt, habanero pepper and some capsicum and palm oil. So next, in a bowl, I've gone ahead to pour in the okpa flour. Then I'll add the palm oil and start mixing with my hands. You can use a spatula for this, but at this stage, I'll prefer using my hands to make sure this is lump free. And while mixing this, please make sure the oil and the flour is very well combined and you get the color you want, because we want to have a very good vibrant color. And please, if you need to add more oil, please do that at this stage, because if you don't add oil now and add it after you added the water, it's going to separate. The oil is going to be different from the mixture and you won't get that original okpa color. So at this point, I'm going to go in and start adding my water, warm water. Please, we have to use warm water, not cold water, and we add this little by little so that we'll be able to control the lumps in this. We don't want this to be we don't want lumps in this. We want this mixture to be lump free. So this is the best way in which we can control this. Guys, look at how smooth this looks. This is what we want. Okay, and if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And to my returning subscribers, I say you a very big welcome. Okay, thank you for your love and your support and for subscribing and always watching my videos. Please do not forget to like this video as well. All right, thank you very much. And this is the consistency I am looking for. Just look at how once I put my hands, it comes out like I can now see the color of my hands now. Next, I'll go ahead to add in the chopped peppers, salt and seasoning cube. So I'll mix this thoroughly and I'll still check for salt to see if I'll need to add more salt, which I'll do. So at this point, the water I would use to cook this okpa is actually boiling in the pot. Please, guys, once you're making okpa and you're about to mix, let the water be boiling. We don't want to mix our okpa and keep it down. If not, it's going to decant or will I say sediment. Yes, so we want to mix this as in make sure the water is boiling, so that as soon as we put it there, it will just start cooking. Then when the time you put in the last one, that's when you can now start calculating the cook, like the time you start timing the okpa. So I'm going to cook this for 45 minutes depending on the size. So this 45 minutes is just because of the quantity of okpa I am cooking. So if you're cooking more than this, you know that the time won't be the same. So you see how well this thing is boiling. So I've put it in there and I'll tie the other ones. And also always mix your okpa mixture, because that's 30 seconds or so you've left the okpa down, it's going to sediment. Like it's just the okpa flour, you will see the starch or the flour down at the bottom of the pot. So we just have to, your bowl, so you just have to mix everything before tying it. And I'll cover and cook. And here our okpa is ready. Okay, our okpa is ready. This is so good, guys. Can you see how hard this has become? Guys, look at what was runny, but now look at how hard this has become. So I'll just go ahead and, guys, just bring your fork and just come and have a taste. This is for us. Person we cook go chop na be. Yes, so person we cook na him go chop. So now we follow cook. When we chop, I'm not gonna go bring on a fork, or you don't use fork. You want to do the local man style, you can also use your hand. No time. to eat. So guys, I'm just going to have this with my cold drink. Okay. Yes, I'm going to have this with my cold drink. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you very much for stopping by to watch my videos. I really do appreciate it. I don't know how to say thank you to you guys, but from the deepest part of my heart, I say thank you, and I really appreciate you guys. You guys are the best. I love you all. Please stay safe and see you in my next video. Bye.